Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off last seen on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to turn off your last seen, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here just select three dots in the top right corner, tap on settings and here select privacy and here you can see who can see my personal info. You must have to select last seen and online option. Just tap on it. Once you have selected, here you will get that who can see my last scene. You will get four different options. The first is that everyone, if you have selected the first option, so everyone can see your last scene. If you have selected my contacts, so only your contacts will see your last scene. Or if you have selected my contacts except, you must have to select that option and then select any contact from which you want to hide your last scene. For example, I'm going to add this one, just select that option, then select the done option. Once you have that, your last scene will be hidden from that selected person or has the option of nobody. If you have selected nobody option, so nobody can see your last scene. If you want to completely turn off your last scene, so you must have to select the fourth nobody option. Once you have selected, your last scene will be completely turned off or disabled. So that's how you can easily turn off last scene on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.